Hi, my name's Chris Fyvie. I focus on office leasing in the GTA, and I run Officilla.ca. Over the last decade, I've helped hundreds of tenants find office space. What I've found is it frequently takes 2 or 3 tours for them to actually find and commit to the right premises. I started this site to help educate my clients. This way they can search vacancies, pictures, floor plans, pricing, and educate themselves on the market. In the end of the day, what I'm hoping to do is be able to take them out and see the space that they're actually interested, that meets their budget, space that they've found on this site, Officilla.ca. It's ironic that once you take 3 tours, they usually pick one of the tours or one of the spaces that you've toured on the first go-round. Officilla is here to educate. It's here to save you time and you money. Feel free to contact me at the number below. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.